Hey besties, in today's video I'll be sharing with you 5 secret websites where you can make money this year, whether you're a student or a stay-at-home mom, or you're looking for a side hustle, or you are even looking for a job. Guess what? You can make good money from all the websites I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. The first one on my list, let's not even waste time, let's just get right into business for today. The first one on my list is Rumble. Have you heard about Rumble before? Rumble is an alternative version of YouTube, but they pay higher than YouTube. So guys, Rumble is a video sharing website where content creators can monetize their work. Yes, it's a less well-known version of YouTube, but there are lots of opportunities, several opportunities to monetize content on this platform. And it is one of the best apps to make money by uploading your videos. It's a great idea to also share your content on Rumble in addition to your social network accounts. It's similar to YouTube. Rumble will pay you for the advertisement that appear on your videos. Yes, so Rumble has partnerships. Unlike YouTube, they have partnerships with Xbox, with Yahoo and MSN, and they allow you to earn more money from your videos. You can receive $50 for videos. Yes, that is your video that is used by one of their partners, their partner company. Yes, so and if your video is excellent enough, they can pay you as much as $100. If you don't have a computer, guess what? You can make money on Rumble by just using your phone. The next one on my list here is Userlytics. Guys, on Userlytics, testers are needed to access the websites of some of the top companies in the world. And through this website, this platform, you can quickly earn money. You can earn $100 within 20 minutes evaluating a website. It's a good way to earn money by visiting websites. Now, a website test that is also known as remote usability testing is carefully reviewing a client's company's website or mobile application and giving an honest evaluation. The fresh perspective of a new visitor is always appreciated, and as a result, Userlytics helps to enhance the user experience of site visitors, assisting website owners in growing their businesses online. The next website on my list here is crossover.com. I am telling you, I'm sure you've not heard of it before. Crossover.com is a platform for hiring. Yes, it is called Crossover, and it focuses on remote work. It's a secret website where you can work from the comfort of your home or any other location and earn money online. Crossover links talented individuals with their dream jobs all around the world, worldwide. On crossover.com, there are many high-paying job advertisements. If you find one that meets your qualifications, you should apply for it. With a job that you land on this website, you can make amazing income. They employ currently more than 4,000 remote workers and do business in more than 150 countries. The next website on my list here is Ezoic. Yes, it is also called a secret website to make money. Yes, because they compared it to Google AdSense and other ad networks. It is the less well-known platform, yes, for the monetization of content and websites with adverts. One of the simple methods to monetize a website or blog without selling anything is to use Ezoic. Yes, the statistic EPMV is what Ezoic uses to determine publishers' revenues. EPMV stands for earning per 1,000 views. Yes, we call it RPM on YouTube and CPM. Now, this platform pays according to how many ad sites visitors views, and your potential income is based on the number of page views and the website niche and the visitor's geographic location. The next one on my list here is Skillshare. Guys, one fantastic thing about Skillshare is that because Skillshare subscribers must pay a monthly fee for them to access their preferred lessons and courses, Skillshare can be compared to Netflix for educational content. You heard me right. And you can contribute your skills on the Skillshare platforms and earn a passive monthly income by so doing. If you're skilled at anything at all that is high demand, like teaching maths or teaching people how to play an instrument, guess what? You can make a ton of money on this platform. And there's an alternative method of making money on Skillshare in case you lack any useful knowledge or abilities to impart. You can also use Skillshare's pay per lead affiliate marketing program to earn $7 for each person that registers for a free trial on your website using your own affiliate link. guys, I have told you I'm going to be spilling the tea on this channel. Yes, so make sure that you make it a date and tune into this channel every single time. Yes, so because I'm going to be sharing lots and lots of secret ways to make money that no one will share with you right here on the streets of YouTube. So guys, if you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. How did you find my video? What is your name? Where are you watching from? What do you do for a living? Let me know in the comments. I'm nosy. I want to know you for real. I'm building a community here. So it's not just about you guys coming to watch my videos, but it's about building a genuine community. I want to know all of you by your names. I want to know you, what you do, where are you watching, what country are you tuning in from. Yes, so, and to all of my returning subscribers, you guys, thank you. I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. And to all of my Patreon members, thank you for all that you've done, and thank you for what you're still doing. Thank you. If you would like to join my Patreon community, it's an exclusive community, by the way, and it's strictly by invitation. If you'd like to join, you can find the link in the description. You guys are my exclusive members, as definitely, find the link in my description as well as in the comments. Just so you know, part of the perks of joining my Patreon community means that you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. Make sure that you don't sleep on all of these amazing, juicy opportunities that I'm sharing with you. And like I said, as a Patreon member, you get more perks, yes, for being an amazing Patreon inner caucus member of this channel. Yes, and that is it for today, guys. However, I have a bonus for you guys, so stick around and watch this video all the way till the end. Besties, the next website on my list here is swap.com. Yes, in case you don't know, swap.com is a web-based consignment shop. Pre-owned items can be sold at consignment shops. Yes. Do you know that you can sell your fairly used clothing that is still in good shape? Yes, the toys that your children play with, and even the old furniture that you have replaced. Yes, so just in case you're not aware, let me just explain, let me illustrate what I mean. If you list an item for $8 on the website, you will immediately receive 15% cashback and 20% shop credit. However, if the item is more than $8, you will receive 70%, yes, after the $4.95 processing charge has been subtracted and 20% stock credits. Their shipping is localized in the 48 contiguous states in the United States, which means you can earn from these sites outside the United States. Yes, so the next bonus tip here I have for you is neighbor.com. Yes, it's the storage equivalent of Airbnb. Yes. Neighbor.com is an earning website for people that reside in the United States. So if you live in USA, you can visit neighbor.com, yes, and post any empty spaces that you have, like your garage or your storage area, so that renters can pay you for the space when it is not in use. Neighbor.com will provide you with a debit card where you may deposit your monthly payouts or pay you for vacant spots through direct deposits. Now, the neighbor.com website will charge you a few minor fees in exchange for assisting you in making money from your unoccupied spaces. I am telling you, there are so many ways to make money, and I'll be sharing a lot of them in my subsequent videos. So make sure that you tune in. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you've turned on your notification bell so that you get notified. Click on all. Once you subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell and turn on all notifications for this channel, because I'll be sharing a lot of secret websites where you can make money from the comfort of your home. And I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can make money with this website. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm going to be sharing lots of amazing websites where you can make money from day one. All right, guys, take care and God bless you. Bye for now.